Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust brightness in Poker Night at the inventory. Start by opening settings. From there, navigate to graphics settings. Here at the top is the brightness. As a tooltip suggests, you can adjust the brightness level. Lowering, of course, lowers brightness. Increasing it increases brightness. I recommend aiming for something between 40 and 60, usually should be good for you. Just remember that this may depend for your individual case, because the lighting in your room, the type of monitor you have, will impact how this looks for you on your monitor. I think I will go with something like 45, I think, would be the best for me. And after that I can press the back button to save the changes. Press it once again, and now I can start the playthrough. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.